life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. There's nothing in the world like a mother's love. She filled every need, made my life.
Alofa everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we celebrate Mother's Day. If you're watching this and you're a mum yourself, happy Mother's Day. I wish nothing but the best for today because that's all you deserve. Today's video is about Sunday toona'i or Sunday lunch for Mother's Day and the Koko alaisa that I'll be making this evening as promised. Received votes for Koko alaisa, so that's what I'm going to be making. I will see you in the next one. So we got super polvi. It's nice and it smells nice. And we got the sakakalu over here. And we got the luau in the oven. Let's try the luau mamoe. Oh, that looks nice.
It looks nice, eh?
Yeah.
I will get one sword like this. See something like instead of take the phone, take it back. That one is stay there, focus, and you relax.
It's nice.
Man, that luau is nice. Yeah.
Man, I like this. I like it. If someone wants when I'm eating it. Look, this one is a steak. This is steak. What a it's nice, eh?
Oh, you like
I like it. That's what
This is nice, man. Look at all the meats and the fats in that.
That's what I'm doing this morning.
No, polvi.
What?
Not polvi masimo,
Because
but
I'm already ready to make.
I love pongi.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Full.
Okay.
Hey?
I will just come. My nose is not spitting.
Super nice.
It's the same when the day I go with him and he go pick it. And I say, do you know what to do with this? He said to me, yep, take it. With it. When he go cook it, Pick it up.
Fight.
Maybe another day. And I put the whole thing back. Put the application to come and get the master.
Yeah, we were talking about.
In a
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's only like $4 for a whole bag.
Oh my god. Don't make me go back to the shop now.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna start making our koko alaisa. So I've just put water in here. It's quite a big pot, so I've got about 3.5 liters of water, and I'm gonna pour in some rice as well. Let's see if I can do this with. There you go. That should do it. I'm going to drop the whole thing in there. And we keep stirring as we go.
Why does this keep being long?
So now we just wait for it to completely come to a boil. Just gonna add our coconut cream now.
Looks soft.
I made a big pot because I'm gonna give some to our neighbors as well. So yeah. So the last thing that we need to add now is the sugar. Whoa, just a lot of sugar.
I was like, oh, it just needs some little. Oh, it's the sugar.
Add the last cream.
It's going to. It looks nice anyways. Let it be like warm. Feels so cold.
Right, so we're just gonna leave it on here on low heat for maybe another 5 minutes. The rice is cooked, see that? That's how we like our koko alaisa. And then we'll take a bowl next door and two of our neighbors actually, and go from there. And that's how we like it. You know, nice and creamy, thick. Koko alaisa. Ooh, that smell. Alright, we're gonna dig in. Whare lotu.
Thank you for the food. Thanks for looking after our family, and this is food. I don't know why I have a small spoon. If I had a big spoon, it would be like more times bigger. Video, but I don't know where it is, right?
Do you know the only thing that's missing is the lauki poro? I mean, laumoni. That would definitely complete the taste of home. A better taste of home.
You just like it, eh?
Blow it.
Try to make a T. Actually, just a cross. I don't know.
Your nice hot koko alaisa on a Sunday evening.
And do you know what else is missing? The hot bread.
They know more. I'm saving that for breakfast.
That's a lot, like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Right, so if you made it this far, thank you. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, our long or short video. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. Anyway.
It's been a busy day.
Yeah, it has been, yeah. It's just full on, for you guys. I was spoiled today.
Yeah.
I was very spoiled today. We're just going to end the video here. Alright. Okay guys, we will see you in our next video.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Bye. Bye.